So what's up people, respect for tuning into another video. So viewers and subscribers, I know I've been MIA in the past couple of days, viewers and subscribers, but it's all due to personal circumstances, people. So me no want to understand that, you understand, but I'm here back in full effect, viewers and subscribers, to give you all of the latest them. So coming up in this video, viewers and subscribers, well basically yeah, Queenie and this Amari in her new song, and Amari also hit back at Queenie and this are back in her new song to viewers and subscribers. So you don't know, it's an all-out war between the two female them. And also basically today is Dexta Daps birthday, so we are going to give you a couple of updates on that. Also he's keeping his birthday bash, so you don't know of Movada and Popcaan and Bounty Killer come out, and a big up Dexta Daps overall. So people, first we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them, so no don't go nowhere, we're soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so people, in this new song, viewers and subscribers, Queenie directly at this up and send a message to Amari, because at the end of the day, Queenie just basically asks Amari, say yo, if she feel check no by her, and I make Amari know, say yo, if she know, say yo, right now she hot, and her cheatings are going on. At the end of the day, she basically make Amari know, say yo, you is a riffraff, you come up on the stage as a riffraff, viewers and subscribers, because you know see the whole thing, you know see how Amari did a go on the stage, viewers and subscribers, and Queenie just a point out certain thing and I make sure know say yo, stay in your lane, viewers and subscribers. So right now me I tell you know that tune at viewers and subscribers, well basically it sound like the intro sound like I say yo, at the end of the day, yo, you is a riffraff, so I don't know if I saw the song and I could name people, but at the end of the day, I want to check it out for yourself and tell me what you think about it down into the comment section, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Because watch you know, at the end of the day, you don't know what go on with Queenie and Amari from what day. You know, say Amari come on a live on our Instagram page, and Amari I make the people them know, say yo, big up Queenie, and she respect Queenie, and she look up to Queenie. I just sikka rymes that I set them up on way, because basically people who know say yo, Queenie did sign to Sikka Rymes label before Amari, viewers and subscribers. So basically Amari just make the people them know say at the end of the day, from them time they at that Sikka Rymes did I do, and I try put her up against Queenie, viewers and subscribers, and she never do it off her own will, people. But you don't know who can be the judge of that, you understand what I mean? And at the end of the day, you know say yeah, Queenie did come out and say yo, she no want a friend from Amari, and Amari stay over for her side and she stay over for her side, and at the end of the day. So this it lead up to right now, viewers and subscribers, a brand new hot track from Queenie, people, and me gonna make you check out here just a little preview where she show with viewers and subscribers, because the song it not drop yet as what me telling you people. So here with no more further ado, check out the video.
Yeah, JB.
Wow, you threatened by the queen? Are you threatened? Are you threatened by the queen? You know, for me, actors, stats, me a broke like craft, the queen, a pay tax. Some girl love chat, them come on stage and favor riff-raff. She want.
Viewers and subscribers, you know what I want to know after hearing that and watching that little short clip of just the little preview of the video, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think about all of it, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you think about the song. You think it's gonna be a hit, like yeah, everybody just a shout out, do we are? Me know what you think, because basically you don't know say Amari right now Eva go through some little thing with EVD from Sting, you understand, because you don't know say she come on the internet multiple times, and I say at the end of the day, every day no one PR, in which I feel like say at the end of the day that a foolishness, you understand, because she come on the live and basically she say in the live say at the end of the day every day I say yo, our performance not really up to the money, you understand, it not worth the money overall, viewers and subscribers, is it? But you don't know, if you give me a job and you tell me say a $10 fee, you understand, at the end of the day, I go want the $10. But really and truly, Amari kind of shake up herself as thing, and her performance wasn't up to par as what them say, you understand. But I feel she forget the money, you understand what I mean? So in that video, Queenie just basically make sure know say, yo, yeah, she a fool, you know, and she not in her league to people. But here, as well, I say, tell me what you think down into the comment section, you understand? So viewers and subscribers, new information has just hit Flava Media Entertainment TV because viewers and subscribers, Sikka Rymes posted a video with Amari basically also at this Queenie to viewers and subscribers. So it come like at the end of the day say this is an ongoing war, said we people, you understand, because I know earlier on in the video at the end of the day me they don't tell you say Amari they come and a big up Queenie, you understand, and all of that just come like it's a ploy to join Queenie, you understand. It was another Sikka Rymes plan, viewers and subscribers, you understand. So basically them did a try chick Queenie, you don't know, props to Queenie cause she never fall feet, you understand people. But as what me say, just tell me what you think down into the comment section.
About one man to the goodie. When a girl she have a suck up the punny punny. About Queenie and the deck, tell me which one different.
Yeah, so in this other story now, viewers and subscribers, well, you all know that, or I don't know if you know as yet, that today is Dexta Daps' birthday, viewers and subscribers. And Dexta Daps is keeping an event. It is entitled Forever in Miami, Florida, viewers and subscribers, to celebrate his birthday. So basically, whole heap of artists come out, viewers and subscribers, and whole heap of artists are promote it, and that make you, we know say at the end of the day, say, them are go there at the event, you understand what I mean? So Popcaan and Movada them, and also other whole heap of varieties of artists, viewers and subscribers. But me I go show you the video with Popcaan, viewers and subscribers, and Movada right now. So hear what people, check it out.
Yeah, unruly boss, represent for Dexta Daps' birthday party. Miami, January 12th. Make sure you roll out heavy. Room.
Hey, boom, check it out. You don't know, Winwood. Tomorrow night, which is Thursday night, Dexta Daps' birthday party. And single release. You see? Check it out. Gangsta.
Also, viewers and subscribers, more want to also check out this video to Whip Bounty Killer.
Kaboom! Tell them I see you, we say. Tell them I see you, we say. Hey yo, Miami, Florida. Join Dexta Daps and guest for his exclusive birthday celebration and new hit single Forever release party. Hey yo, January 12th, this Thursday. Hey yo, Miami tickets are extremely limited. 4 premium bar will be provided. Tell them I see you, we say. Kaboom!
Yeah, so that's it, viewers and subscribers, and basically I want to just say happy birthday and happy earth strong to Dexta Daps. Yeah, you don't know, big up yourself, because you don't know it is your day, viewers and subscribers. And we all know say Dexta Daps are one of the artist thing right now. When it come on to the ladies, a one man can compete with him right now. You understand? In my intake, viewers and subscribers, because other people may share different opinions, but you don't know, a Vibes Cartel alone can match up to them man when it comes to girl. You understand? Enough man even want them woman say, make sure if you got Dexta Daps dance. You see me, I say, don't go past stage, you understand? Enough man never allow them woman to go enough a Dexta Daps show. So you don't know, say, them man, they lock the thing different when it come on to the girls them love him different, you understand? So you don't know Dexta Daps as well. We say, big up yourself on this day, you understand? Enjoy it, madam, you understand? So viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna leave you know with that video, viewers and subscribers, you understand what I mean? So you don't know, big up on yourself too. Yeah, also remember to give this video a like. Yeah, smash that like button, viewers and subscribers. Share the content with somebody that is interested, you understand, and drop a comment down into the comment section. Also remember to subscribe to get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. So people here, big up on yourself. I'm out.